Greetings family, this is Bomani time and we're live on Revolutionary Camp. We're in beautiful Ghana, and instead of Accra we're in the eastern region, and we're here by Lake Volta, and we're at this wonderful resort called Senchi Royal Resort. And I've actually two of the employees here. Did I get that right? We're at Senchi Royal Resort. How long have you been working here? 1 year. Isn't this a fabulous place to be?
Yeah.
I live in America, and I'm originally from Jamaica, and one of the things I've always heard about is when we talk about Africa, is that people's like, well, where are we going to stay, what are we going to eat, what are we going to be doing? And I want to show people, you have these wonderful amenities, a 4- and 5-star resort, you have the lake, you have professional staff, beautiful brothers and sisters that's here to cater to you, to make sure that you have the journey of a lifetime in the country. And that's what we're about. We want people to reconnect to the African continent and see that all the lies that you hear from the media, the fake journalists, not like real journalists like ourselves, showing you what's really going on and connecting you with the people. So family, I'm going to take another walk and I'll show you how this room at the resort look. This is more of a suite. This is great. It's incredible. Let's check it out. Now, I'm here at this bed that's designed for a king and a queen. I mean, I can picture me being on here making a whole lot of babies. I was joking. But for real family, one of the things we want to make sure people understand is that you're going to have a nice relaxed accommodation, and a resort like this, a beautiful bed, nice and spread out, all the luxury accommodation, lights, features. Now as you proceed here, you have like a sitting area, you have widescreen TV, lounge area. This more look like this. If you really think about this, you probably wouldn't think that you're at a resort. You probably think that you're at a fancy mansion or somewhere. That's how wonderful the space looks. And while you're in the room, if you want to go outside and you just want to enjoy nature, get some air, you have this wide balcony view. Yes, and this is one suite. Wide balcony view. People have said some crazy things to me over the years, and I'm just being honest with you, family. They asked me, I was like, well, when we go to the hotel, do they have bathrooms in the hotel? All right, well, we're going to show the bathroom. Come on, family. Lifestyle in Africa. Jacuzzi, baby! Look at this show right here. Check this out. This is hot. I mean, you think you're at one of the fancy Marriott resorts somewhere in South Florida. But my point to you, family, the same amenities, the same wonderful things that you want, you can get. So hold it down, family, and we're going to keep on coming, and we're just going to show you some more. What do you think about this, Righteous?
It's perfect. It's beautiful.
So we see the top area now. Let's see what's down on the downstairs. Yo, we are looking. I want to try the bathroom out. Wow, keep on coming. Wow, family, this is amazing. Now we actually have downstairs. Now, that's an outside pool, outside of your suite, and it's a jacuzzi outside. I mean, it's incredible. And then you still got a lake out here. You're down the bottom floor view. I love Ghana. Nature is beautiful. Come to the motherland. A journey of a lifetime. And you'll enjoy it. It is just beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. The only thing I can tell you, family, you just got to be here. And you'll really get a feel for it. So once again, family, signing off from Revolutionary Camp. You take care, hold down, we catch up to you next time.